told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I wanted too long, it hurts to watch your eyes fade away, as you fade away.
With the winch mount, we also made some really strong alloy recovery points, which are very thick, very good. So I didn't hook up the manual winch controls, so I just got this, so both buttons down at the same time for 5 seconds, and then it's on. You can spool it out. Spool it out. So, yep, spooled out nicely. And I'm just going to hook it up here for now. So I have... Yeah, I'll have to put the camera down for this. Oh, never mind.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.